Hello everyone. Today I have the author of Modern Day Parenting, Dr. Gunjan, and Kadambri Rao Batra. So Kadambri was not able to join for some reason. So Dr. Gunjan will be telling us about the book. So ma'am, what was the inspiration behind the book?
So inspiration for me is my two children. First of all, I would
Okay.
say when raising kids in this time, we have so many questions ourselves in our mind. And Kadambri being a very good friend, so we were just sitting and talking that I want to write something. She also wanted to write about her journey as a child and
Okay.
about other things. So we just decided that yes, there is a need of this kind of book for parents, for young parents in
Okay.
this today's world, and we thought of writing this modern day parenting.
That is such a nice journey you started. So what was your writing journey basically look like?
So writing journey, अगर मैं बोलूँ, it all started back in COVID. So
Oh.
when we had so much of time and we were so free because of that. So we met and we decided that we have to write a book.
Okay.
Though it took a very long time because of COVID khatam hua, then we got busy with our own lives. And Kadambri is traveling from UK and India. She's because of job commitments. So we just started at that time, and it was a long journey, I would say, but I think the outcome is very good. And I think it's a must read for young parents and today's parents.
So what was the major challenge you two were facing while writing the book?
So there were many challenges. At each step there were challenges when we are writing, especially a topic like parenting. So there are different styles of parenting. Everyone thinks that they want to do the best for their child. So sometimes we know what is right and sometimes we don't know actually what is right. So keeping a balance in that was something challenging for us.
So you are writing for a kind of a sensitive topic. It's about parenting. A lot of parents are anxious about it. So you must be taking reference from some books, authors, series of movies. Okay, your own experiences. So would you like to share a gist about that?
Yeah, I being a pediatrician, my main inspiration is always Nelson, that's a god for us. So there's another book by Dr. Spock.
Okay.
So, which is a very good book on parenting, and any book apart from my own book, I would refer is Dr. Spock's parenting tips.
Oh, okay, that is nice to know. And my other question too would you be like, what advice would you give to the upcoming parents?
See, advice for upcoming parents is keep learning, keep relearning, and keep relearning again. So when we are raising our children, it's a journey for us and not for our children both.
Okay.
So also kids are today's generation is different, so they want to do their own. We also want the best for them, so just maintaining a balance is the best. Everyone is busy with their professional lives, with their other things, other commitments, social lives. I think back then when we were growing up, there were no social commitments for our parents, है ना? So they were actually, they had a lot of time. Now when raising them, we have to balance, because we don't want to compromise on our professional commitment. Also, we don't want to compromise on our children's any activity. So just a balance is the best.
Okay, that is such a good advice for all the upcoming parents seeing us, parents who are already with the child seeing us. That's actually an honor to have you. And we have a very small gift for you.
Thank you so
Okay, the
much.
team packed it with love and
Thank
care.
you. And
So
my thanks to Paper Towns Botanics for this great opportunity, and Kadambri for she had to miss it because of some commitments. But
we
thank
actually
you to
missed
her
her.
also.
So thank you so much, ma'am, for joining. And
Thank
to
you.
all the readers, the book is available on Amazon and Flipkart. They can directly buy it from over there. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.